elections, where the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission has today unveiled its new commissioners who were sworn into office by Chief Justice Martha Koome. The four, Juliana Cherera, Francis Wanderi, Irene Masit, and Justus Abonyo, were chosen among 36 Kenyans that are interviewed to fill the positions vacant at IEBC.
Commissioners have undergone an induction program that included corporate governance and commission operations. They have also been introduced to the IEBC senior management, staff both at headquarters as well as account election managers from the field. The knowledge and experience shared by the consultants, commissioners and senior management from both headquarters and the field will enable the new commissioners settle in their assignment. The Commission is also pleased to announce that the chairman and the 6 commissioners have given their personal commitment in supporting one another and working very closely with the Secretariat in order to deliver a successful and credible 2022 general elections. The Commission plans to carry out enhanced continuous voter registration, ECVR, activity in the month of October 2021 for a period of 30 days. That's one of the upcoming activities we have. And in this exercise, the Commission targets to register at least 6 million new voters at the county assembly ward level. And we take this opportunity to urge Kenyans who are eligible and who have not registered as voters to turn up in large numbers and register. The Commission has also noted with concern the heightened political activities prior to declaration of campaigns for the general election, which is causing unnecessary tension in the country. The Commission appeals to political players and stakeholders to avoid this trend, as the official campaign period is clearly outlined in the election operations plan which we published. As the Commission, we continue to plan for the 2022 general election. We reiterate the need for timely and sufficient disbursement of funds to facilitate implementation of all our planned programs. Further, the Commission appeals to security agencies to collaborate with the Commission to ensure a secure environment for the conduct of elections. Finally, the Commission would like to assure the public and all stakeholders that it will continue working as a team to deliver a credible 2022 general election.
Right, so Afula Chebukati right there talking about new commissioners and preparedness of the elections. But then a section of leaders from the coast have hailed Kilifi Governor Amason Kingi for forming a coast-based political party. The political party associated with the Kilifi Governor Amason Kingi was recently on a recruitment